Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World, and today we are going to read for Taurus. Let's see what's happening in their love life and what is going to happen in remaining days of July. Okay, this is going to be specifically a love reading and it is going to be a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. Okay, and yes, if you like such quick readings as I do, you can check the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing my channel so that you won't miss any update. Please click the bell notification to receive all the notifications. Yes, let's see what's happening with Taurus, what their person is up to. Okay, what's happening for Taurus in 2020 July in their love life, what their person is up to, what they're thinking, what changes. Okay, 10 of Cups. Oh my, 10 of Cups is the first card. 6 of Pentacles, the Empress. Beautiful cards for Taurus. Ace of Wands, a new beginning. Page of Pentacles. You might be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Leo, Aries, Sag. Okay, and the bottom of deck is Judgment. Great. So as far as I'm seeing this, the person you're dealing with, they have changed their mind. Maybe they were not quite sure in the past, but now all they are thinking is about you, how to take things forward with you, how to start over with you. Okay, this person you're dealing with, they are totally in love with you. They think about you, they dream about you, whatever they are doing is for you, Taurus. You might be dealing with someone who is quite affluent. They belong to a very affluent family, and they are quite authoritative in whatever they do. They might be a businessman, they might be someone who is in the authoritative position. They have everything, they just want to give everything out to you. They are in this giving energy. Maybe they will gift you something, maybe they will take you to their house to meet their family. They are in this perfect, you can't even imagine what this person is up to. I'm seeing this person loves you a lot. They want to pour their love out to you. Okay, with this 10 of Cups, I'm definitely seeing this person wants family with you. They want stability with you. They want to marry you. They want to take you to their house. They want you to meet to their family members. They might even be talking to their family members about you, and they feel as if you are a marriage material with this Empress card. They love everything about you. They see you as a marriage material. They see you as someone who can give them all pleasures in life. Okay, not just physical, but they love you, Taurus. Whomsoever you are dealing with, they love you a lot. Maybe in past they were not taking some sort of decision they have to take. Some good news is definitely coming you. Maybe they were talking to their parents about this relationship, and now they will come back and tell you the good news that yes, their parents are agreeing to this relationship. Okay, I'm also seeing a new fresh start. If you're not with your person from a very long time, you're not in contact with this person, definitely with this Judgment card and this Ace of Wands, I'm seeing this person coming back to you, starting to talk to you with this Six of Wands. I'm also seeing this person is looking for you, finding you. If you are not talking from a very long time, they might be even stalking you on social media. Okay, and with this King of Swords in reverse, they have dropped down their swords and want to start afresh with you. Okay, look, the Hanged Man in reverse. Maybe in past this person was not indulging, they were not choosing you, but now with all these cards, I'm definitely seeing this person is coming back. They're missing you. Okay, this person is going to tell you that they have decided, they want you, they have chosen you, and this person just wants you. Okay, I'm also seeing this person might be another young earth sign, okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and they have their eyes on you. They are spying you. They don't want you to go to anyone else. They don't want you to move forward in life with anyone else. They want to marry you. They want to have you all. Okay, let's see, let's pull out some more cards and see what this person is up to. I'm definitely seeing this person finds you very attractive. This person finds you very beautiful. They might even be seeing your photos, admiring you. Okay, I think this person wants to give their love to you. They are in this giving energy. They want to give their love out to you. Okay, this person definitely will propose. For many of you, they are going to propose you for marriage, or maybe their parents have agreed to this marriage, and they will be coming out with good news. Okay, many of you, a new start. If you are not with this person from a very very long time, they are coming back. Reconciliation is on the way. Definitely I'm seeing you reconciling with this person. They have their eyes on you. They are spying you. They are thinking about you. Let's see what more. Okay, Taurus, Mother of Wands. I'm definitely seeing they are in this nurturing energy. They want to take action. They want to show their love to you. They want to care you. They want to nurture you. They want to pamper you. With this Mother of Wands, you might be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, and they are very nurturing at this moment, and they just want to come back and give all love to you. With the Six of Pentacles and Mother of Wands, I'm definitely seeing someone taking action and coming back to you, showing their love to you, showing how much they care for you. Okay, so yes, good news, Taurus. Tables are turning, things are changing for the better. Okay, Father of Pentacles. I think this person, they are in this energy of giving. Like, with this Mother of Wands, they wanted to show you how much they love you. They want to pamper you. They want to care you. They want to show their affection towards you. And with this Father of Pentacles, they want to protect you. They want to support you. They want to be by your side. And they want to show you that they are there. They are firmly standing there like a father. And they have everything to provide you. Like, they might even be from an affluent family, as I told you earlier. And now they want to show you that they are there for you. They can take your responsibility. They can support you. They can guide you. Okay, they are your light, and they can be your light in darkness. Okay, so this person, oh my, they are in love with you. Okay, the Hierophant. Okay, so this person knows, they have answers to your questions. They know what you're expecting out of this person. This person wants to just come back and take you back. This person wants to take it further with you. They have taken their time. They have decided. Bottom of deck is Son of Pentacles. So basically this person has everything to give to you. They have everything what you want. They have everything to give you, to offer you. They have a lot of love. They have a lot of money. They have everything that you need. Okay, so yes, let's see some advice cards for you from Power of Love Activation. What advice do we have for Taurus? Basically, this person will stand strong besides you, for you. Okay, Taurus, what messages do we have for Taurus? You're definitely dealing with someone who is quite authoritative, quite strong with whatever they have, and they are coming back with a lot of strength. Okay, even if there is no strength card here, I'm definitely sensing this person in this Leo energy, this leadership energy. Okay, first is humility. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same, but on different paths. So I think when from the time you were away from this person, you have developed a lot of sense of security within yourself. You have understood, you have come to this realization that everyone is on their different path. Everyone has a individual path, life path, okay, a life purpose. And you have come to this realization that if this person went away, if this person did not choose you in the past, it was something they have to realize on their journey. Okay, so everything is everything is going as it should be. Okay, so you are coming to this realization. Purpose. You possess determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. I'm definitely seeing you have a lot of love, and you're coming to this realization that you can unconditionally provide love to someone, and you don't have to have a purpose to love someone. Okay, so you have this unconditional source of love that you have to show to someone else, and to yourself. Self love is the first source of love you should be giving to yourself and to others. So you are coming to all these realizations now. Joy. You delight in the love of life and bring a spirit of fun. So don't be too serious, don't be too serious all the time. You have to have joy and cute little moments in your life where you can laugh, and you don't have to be always be wondering about some things in your life. Sometimes you have to come to the ground and just enjoy the moment. Okay, be mindful of what you are doing. Just enjoy now and right now and today and right now. Okay, just take one moment at a time. So this was it for Taurus. I hope this reading helped you in some form or shape, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you like such quick readings, you can consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. So yes, see you in next video.